Have you ever wished you could try hundreds of hairstyles before getting a haircut without even touching your hair? Today, I'll show you an AI tool that lets you do exactly that in just seconds. So without further ado, let's dive in. Open your browser and search for RightHair AI. Click on the first search result. You can also find the link in the description. This is a simple, clean, and easy-to-use website that allows you to try different hairstyles and hair colors on your photo. It is completely free and you don't even need to sign up. RightHair offers a wide range of options. You can test out how different hairstyles would look on you before ever going to a salon. The process is very straightforward. Upload your photo, choose a hairstyle, and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll see a realistic AI-powered preview of your new look. This helps you decide what haircut will suit you best. The platform provides a huge library of styles, over 200 hairstyles in total, so the variety is guaranteed. You'll find options for both men and women. Let's get started. Click on Choose File, upload your photo, pick your preferred aspect ratio, and click Apply. Once your photo is uploaded, select a hairstyle. I'll choose this one and click Generate New Hairstyle. The results appear very quickly, usually in less than 30 seconds, and they look realistic. In the History Results section, you can click the eye icon to view your transformations. The output is surprisingly good, much better than I expected. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the before and after. And the difference is pretty amazing. There's also a download button at the top so you can save your generated look directly to your device. Let's try another hairstyle. Again, in just a few seconds, the transformation appears and looks professional. The results are so realistic that it seems like the photo was actually taken with this haircut. There are so many hairstyles here, you can keep trying whichever you like. Now, let's test male hairstyles. I'll delete this image and upload a photo of a boy, then click Apply. Let's try this hairstyle by clicking on Generate. As you can see, the hairstyle has been applied perfectly. The result is amazing. Nobody would believe this is AI generated. Here's the before and after. The original photo looks simple, but after the hairstyle change, it gives a fresh, stylish, and confident look. The difference is really noticeable when you see them side by side. Let's try another style. It's truly impressive that a free tool can provide such high-quality results. As mentioned, there are plenty of hairstyles to explore. But that's not all. RightHair also offers a face shape detector. This feature analyzes your photo and identifies your face shape in just a few seconds, such as oval, round, or square, and gives additional details. This is especially helpful for choosing which hairstyle suits your face best. Another great option is the hair color changer. This helps you figure out which color suits you best according to your skin tone. There are many color options available. Select your desired color, upload your photo, and within seconds the tool applies it realistically. What makes this tool stand out is that it works entirely in your browser. No app installation is required, and it functions across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. It also prioritizes privacy by automatically deleting uploaded photos after a short time. Overall, RightHair is a fantastic and free tool for experimenting with hairstyles and colors before making real changes. You can try up to 3 styles per day, which is more than enough for personal use. The link is in the description. Make sure to try it yourself. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. See you in the next video.